In this video, I will show you how to fix the text justification problem in a Microsoft Word document. This issue is common when working on research papers, assignments, or theses, and it can affect the overall formatting and professional appearance of your document. Let's get started. For example, here is a paragraph that is not properly justified. Even after selecting the paragraph and applying the Justify option, you can see that the text still does not align correctly. This usually happens because of hidden paragraph marks or formatting symbols. To solve this issue, please follow these simple steps. First, select the paragraph you want to justify. Then go to the Find option and click on Advanced Find. Now hold the Shift key and press 6 to insert the caret symbol. After the caret symbol, type P. Keep your cursor in the Replace with field. And then click on the Replace All option. This will remove the extra paragraph breaks causing the problem. Finally, select your paragraph again and click on the Justify option. You will now see that your text has been properly justified and looks neat and professional. This method can be used for any document facing the same issue. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful research and Word tutorials.